Welcome the NAR channel. Today we how to increase market knowledge with NAR easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your market knowledge with NAR, begin by visiting the National Association of Realtors website. Create a free account on the NAR platform if you haven't already. Log into your account to access the various resources available. Navigate to the Research and Statistics section on the homepage. Explore the latest market reports and research papers provided by NAR. Download reports that are relevant to your market area. Take note of key statistics and trends highlighted in these documents. Next, visit the Professional Development section. Enroll in any relevant webinars or online courses that focus on market analysis. Participate in live sessions or watch recorded webinars at your convenience. Join your local NAR chapter to access additional localized insights. Network with fellow members to exchange knowledge about the market. Utilize the NAR Research Resources page for more data tools and insights. Familiarize yourself with the Realtor Safety section for added market awareness. Follow NAR on social media platforms for real-time updates and trends. Make it a habit to review market data regularly to stay informed. Apply this knowledge to effectively serve your clients and make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.